Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is another Plan With Me in my Hobonichi Weeks Mega in the navy blue version, and we will be planning for the week of March 2nd until the 8th, and I'm actually sat down, that's why it's like that. Let's fix it. There we go. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Annyeong! So today let's take a look at the stuff that I have prepared. First, we have the sticker kit from the shop called Santorini Waters. This is the essentials version, so this is just the one-page kit, and this is the oops kit of that kit. We still have a few stocks left in the shop, so if you'd like to grab some kits, go ahead and visit paperjoyph.com. We also have printables, and we are coming up with new releases very soon. I also have these two photos of the BTS 2018 Season's Greetings, and this is a leftover from the spread that I did in my Kikki.K Rings planner. I've actually moved out of that planner for March, and that would be in the next video, so watch out for that. So this photo will just go right here and it fits, and this is somewhere up here I think, so let's put these away for now. I also pulled a few pens, these three blue pens. These are all Stabilo 68 pens and very exciting. I did a pen test for these just to make sure that they don't bleed into the next pages, and I usually do that at the back, but I have journaling notes on there, so I can't show you that right now. I also got myself a new ruler. This isn't very expensive. Igo sunsayo. So this is just from the post office for about 70 cents because I can't find the other ruler that I used to use. My OG ruler. So first what we're going to do is to line the pages. I'm gonna go ahead and pick this one. The other ones are too bright. So I'm gonna go ahead and line or deepen the lines. I might show you actually the last page that I did for last week. That was the most fun spread I have ever done, and I hope you guys like it too. I'm not going all the way in right there because it'll be covered up anyways, and I just realized that when I lined the second or deepened the second line. Next week's spread is also going to be really pretty. I've already prepped for that. Okay, I'm not gonna line this yet. I will instead take the date covers. Let's flip this so that... So this is in matte sticker paper, together with the photos that's also on matte sticker paper. And we're gonna go back and line the very bottom part. So this is a very blue spread, if you haven't guessed already from all the stuff that I am using. And we're gonna take the left bottom bar sticker, put it at the bottom. Wow, this line is pretty straight, so I'm very happy about that. Here we go. And this is pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and do the second page first before I do anything else. And maybe I'll pull some stickers, but I'm not so sure yet. I will likely pull stickers from one of my sticker books. And then I'm gonna take the deepest blue and just line around the photo that we're using. Here we go. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take these boxes. I'm gonna put one over here and one covering that other bit up. Let's do that. I'm trying to be as happy as I was in the last video. I hope it's working. Okie dokie! So I have that, and my voice is cracking. I don't know why. Oh, I should have gotten scissors. So we're gonna take RM's photo. RM is my bias. Are you guys enjoying the new video that they have for On? It's beautiful. And then I'm going to take this pen and no, change mind. Let's take this pen, the one that's very light. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just write the numbers down. Because this is matte paper, I'm going to be using my Signo Uniball, my favorite one. I have my gel pens with me as well. I should have used gel pens. That would look nice. So I have that, and this has just a few stickers on here. Oh, let me put this on here. Tuesday. No, Tuesday we're gonna, okay. And then we're gonna take another one of these, and then I'm just gonna put it on here. That's Monday, and something's happening on Tuesday. So let's put another checklist box on Friday. And then I'm gonna grab another header. Crooked. Let's see if it'll peel up nicely. I've just laid it down, so I'm just gonna go ahead and follow this dotted line. Yeah, that'll work. Okay, and then I have a few more things. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and lay this down. Although I don't know what's happening on these days. Oh, I could have put it here and put weekend. Hang on. Are you still able to peel up? Because I was just gonna put notes on here. Okay, that's good. Weekend. Another one of those boxes, and see what I have. Oh, okay. I still have this decorative strip, and I'm just gonna put it over here. One at the top and one at the bottom. Take our ruler. I was gonna say scissors, but no, just ruler. And I'm gonna go ahead and cover this up as well, but I'm gonna leave the 10th week script. And then this goes under. There we go. So I think the sticker kit is all done up. We're gonna move on to making this pretty. I'm so sorry about this. Okay, so I do have some glitter pens right beside me that kind of matches the pens, the Stabilo pens that I used. This one doesn't really match, so all of these three. So blue! Do you love blue? I'm gonna go ahead and write a box over here and write down my bill due. And then here I have an appointment, not really an appointment, but I'm gonna write down event? No. Training? Workshop, that's it. Workshop. What time is this? 10. And then I'm gonna go ahead and look through my notes, and I'm gonna write down where it's happening over here. Alright, so this is the first week of March, and it's looking pretty good. I'm gonna write weekend. Perfect. I'm gonna use this pen again and say film. I'm gonna skip on the stickers that I have, the emoji stickers, because I will be using only pens. First week, and then I'm going to turn this like that and use the darkest pen and write. Perfect. I'm going to take the lightest glitter pen, and I'm just going to, when it catches the light, it's going to look nice. Okay, let's test that theory. Let me see. Kind of has a little bit of glitter. I'm thinking of putting something on RM actually, but maybe a heart. Yeah, let's try that. Let's put a little heart on him. Oh, perfection. Saragayo. Then down here, I want to write, or should I? Yes. No. Okay, no. Instead, let's go down here and use the lighter pen. Goals. Gonna take the darkest pen again, and right over here I'm gonna say Then I'm going to take... So this is a fountain pen. It is what I use when I write on the Hobonichi paper, which is Tomoe River paper. And I'm gonna write down the date. Then I can write down stuff after that. I should have gotten a highlighter. Oh well. Alright, I'm thinking of lining it, but nope. I'm gonna take this pen, so this is the mid-tone one. So this is the same color as that, and I'm gonna write down notes. Cute! What else can I do? Because the last page was like full of stuff. Full of aesthetic. Yeah, I want to have fun with pens today. I think I'm gonna line that. That might just be a nice touch. Make it more cohesive. I think I'm gonna line this as well with the lightest pen. Oh, okay. I remembered something. I only really remember that. But Friday is anime club. Someone's birthday is on Monday, but that's all I know. I think this is all we're gonna do today. I keep saying that and then I keep adding on stuff. See, I'm gonna add another one. Let's use one of our pens to deepen this. Yeah, okay. Are we gonna add anything to this? Probably not. So, there we go. Let's scoot on over and show you while I outro. This is a short video. I'm sorry guys. It's one of my more relaxed spreads. So thank you so much for watching guys. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want some more planning video, please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to go through our social media, which is PaperJoyPH for both Instagram and Facebook. So the pens that we used in total, we have the Stabilo ones and the glitter pen ones and the Uniball Signo and the fountain pen. And you know what? I didn't even use my Tombow today. Wow. Amazing! And once again, the kit is Santorini Waters, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Annyeong!